Right, as you can see by the map, we're having a little bit of a Welsh adventure today. And the target for today is Snowdon. Now, I've done Snowdon a few times before in the past. I've done it via the pig track, the miners track and Gribgoch. But this time, I'm going to do it via Watkin Path. So at the moment, I'm parked down here. So I'm going to follow this path, which is the Watkin Path, all the way up. Like so, to the top of Snowdon. Depending on time, I'm either going to come back the same way or I'm going to follow this route back down to the van. Hopefully the weather will be alright. It's looking a little bit cloudy at the moment. I've got my waterproofs with me, got a head torch if I lose the light a little bit, map and compass obviously. So I'll just finish this brew, get my stuff together and head off up the mountain. Right, let's get going. So I've been going about 15 minutes. Initially you just have to walk across the road from the car park, up a few steps and then through a bit of like an old woodland, and that brings you through past a couple of little waterfalls, over a little couple of wooden bridges, and then through a bit of a metal gate. And now we're on this little bit of a path here and it seems to be opening up. We're getting a few views now, which I will show you in a moment. Getting warm. I think I'm slightly overdressed. Initially this morning it was freezing. I came up last night in the van, parked up near Trafan, and then when I woke up this morning it was well cold. So I may have to take a few layers off in a minute. Started this walk well too late though, it's like 12:30. Like I say, I've not done it before, but I think you do need to allow quite a number of hours for it. We'll see. If I don't get up to the top and it looks as if I'm going to be losing light well before I do get to the top, then I'll just turn around, no problem. Anyhow, let's hope for the best. Right, I'm going to have to shed a few layers, definitely. Well, it's a pretty steady climb, not too steep, but doesn't look as if it's ever going to stop soon. Down here, I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro, got a bit of a stream with a few waterfalls. It takes you all the way back down to where the van's parked. It's beautiful. Whew. I tell you, hard going. Right, so nice to have a bit of a dip down there in that pool. Plenty of photography potential down there, maybe on another trip. Right, onward and upward. So we've got what looks like a bit of an old house here. Probably something to do with the miners years ago. Look at that. Definitely needs a bit of a refurb. I believe there's an area where some commandos used to stay. And they were training, I think. Maybe this is it. It said that there's supposed to be bullet holes. They look like bullet holes here. Right. Okay, let's go. Wow, I think I've bitten off more than I can chew on this one. Definitely started too late in the day for this walk, so I can't see myself making it to the top and back before I lose the light. So I think it might be just a bit of a recce video, this one. I'll have to come back and do it on another day, get here a lot earlier. The problem you have, you see, is as well, not only having to walk up, but you're having to cart your vlogging gear up. Which, you know, if you can't carry it, you can't vlog it. But you have to keep stopping and starting, getting your camera out, putting it away. So it all takes time, and that is something I have not got on this trip. A lot of time. Yeah, Snowdon is just getting a bit of a view of it now. I'll show you in a second. It's well covered in clouds rolling across the front. Looks pretty good, actually. Right, these steps are getting steeper, and my breath is getting deeper. Right, I have to stop for a minute, have a drink, and take stock. See what I'm going to do. Probably walk up a bit further, about another hour or so at least, and then probably start heading back. So I think the title of this video is Watkin Path fail video. Right, see you in a minute. Just looking back the way I've come, right around the edge here, all the way up through this bit of a valley, and we're heading up this. I'm not too sure I'm going to make it tonight actually though, we'll see. That's not the top, that's not the top of Snowdon. You got to basically walk all the way along the edge and then come round to the top of Snowdon. But I think Snowdon's out for this trip. I set off far too late. But I think I might be able to make it on top of this. There's a bit of a scree traverse that you've got to negotiate to get to the top. I can see the trig point at the top of that. So if I can make it to there, great. But I think Snowdon's out of it for this occasion. I have to revisit this route, I think. So I might have to do a bit of a addition to this video. I'll stick it if I come back and do it, I'll carry it. You know, I'll carry on with the video. But we'll see. We'll see. Right, let's crack on up here. Whew. Shattered, man. Right, decided I'm not going up it. I'm gonna turn around and head back the way I've come. I don't want to become a statistic on Snowdon, so we're gonna have to revisit this route, I think. So yeah, you got to negotiate this bit of a scree to get onto the ridge line, and I don't particularly want to do that if I'm tired, so I'm going to come back and do this again another day. Anyhow, let's have a look. So this is where I've come, all the way down there, and that's where I've got to go back, but at least it's downhill, but I'll take my time. But what stunning scenery. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Let's have a walk over here. I'll show you the view on the other side of this edge. I came over here before and stuck my walking poles in the ground here. Check this view out. How good's that? That's Cribcoch. I've done that route. Fantastic route that. Snowdon's just round the corner. If I just maybe wander up on top of here, I might get a bit of a view of it. But like I say, it's not on the cards for today now. Started off far too late. My own fault. Anyhow, let's have a bit of a scramble up here. Wow. There you go. So Snowdon's up there in the cloud, top of it. Well, this is the view we've got from where we are. How good's that? Absolutely gorgeous. Surrounded by cloud. Well, I think it's about time headed off back to the van. But look at this thing here. Look at that. That's brilliant. We could climb in that in the summer. Yeah. Loads of adventures up here this winter and definitely next year. Right, I'm going to start heading off down. So as you can see, I'm losing the light, and the sun is about to set over there. But we're on a nice steady path down now. I've got 2 head torches with me. I've got plenty of warm gear. I've got a map, a compass, GPS, everything. So I shouldn't have a problem getting back to the van. But I think we will have to pay this place a revisit, I think. Right, look at that. It's beautiful. Right, anyhow, let's crack on. Let's get down there to that van and probably wander down into the pub. Right, just on the way back down now. And look at this for a sunset. How beautiful is that? Hey? Look at that. That's where we're heading down here. Down that way. That's a stop. Video this. Absolutely gorgeous. Right. Let's get heading down. But what a view to look at as I do. Walk back down to the van. Right. Down we go. Right, I'm back at the van. Well, that was a fail, wasn't it? Yeah, I set off far too late for that route, definitely. They reckon it's 8 miles, so about six hours, I think, total. Well, I didn't have enough time before the light went. So yeah, fail. You can't win them all, can you? So what I'll probably have to do is I'll have to come back and do this one again. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this video. I'm either just going to stop it here, or if I do come back, which I probably have to do, because I can't end on a fail, I'll stick the footage of the revisit straight on the end of this. I'm going to do one or the other. So we'll see what happens. If I end this video now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again sometime. And if I don't end the video, well, if you come this far, I don't know what it is that you like, but thank you. All right, and enjoy the rest of the video. See you later.